Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5, I'm going to show you how you would replace your fog light bulb. So the fog light bulb is on the bottom of the bumper, right here. You'd have one on both sides. And if it was attached to the vehicle, the easiest way to replace this is just to undo the fender well, which is just some push pins up along the back side, and you'll be able to pull that out and reach in there to replace your bulb itself. So here from the back side, we have a fender well with 3 screws down here on the bottom, right there, an assortment of push pins up the side here, and then you'll be able to remove that plastic to the side and reach in here, unhook the electric connector, and then we have the fog light bulb here to be able to spin a quarter turn to the left counterclockwise, and this is just an H11 bulb, so you get a new H11 bulb to install. Line it back up. You have tabs that you can only line it up one way. Line those back up, press it in, and spin that a quarter turn to the right to lock that into place, reconnect your electric connector, and put back in push pins and the 3 bolts on the bottom, or whatever you had to remove to be able to reach your hand in here. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.